Good evening, guys. This is a short and quick daily review session of today's, which is 3rd of May. So today, on the location, we are on a daily time frame. We are in a strong uptrend, and this is some sort of retracement or correction going on. This correction started from actually nowhere. What you can say is it is very near to a big round number 43,481, which was previously not that much respected before. There are no resistance or support lines from the past. So it was really difficult for me to trade yesterday, although the market seemed extended, but there was no definitive line where I could have assessed that okay, we have to take short trades now. So, but uh, the market was actually difficult yesterday to trade. Uh, Not for everyone, but specifically for me, because I was of the opinion that the market is very much stretched, and I didn't want to go long and many other reasons. But money could have been made going long uh, multiple times, although with lesser quantity. The main play over here comes with the issue of quantity. My main issue is that since I don't have that much amount of capital, the issue of quantity becomes real because uh, I cannot manipulate the quantity uh, with which I trade. So that becomes an issue with me. Uh, anyways, today the market opened gap down in an uptrending market, and actually, what happened was it opened gap down in an uptrending market, and it made on 15 minutes time frame. You will see a shooting star, a beautiful shooting star at the support, and this was a trend line which was coming. Small trend line which was coming on hourly time frame. It's more clearer. You can see a trend line more clearer. This is a bigger trend line which is coming from bottom. Here there was one beautiful trade initiated till yesterday's close. Unfortunately, as soon as the market opened, I saw some video last night and before sleeping, and I started punching orders like anything. That was really stupid on my part. But anyways, guys, it happens, and I took a break. I went out as soon as I did this mistake. I realized I have been sitting in front of monitor for way too long, and if I continue doing that, I might injure myself even more. So the 5 minutes time frame is not working on. Just a second. So I went out and tried not to think about this thing, markets, for a while. Then uh, I was punching huge quantities. Fortunately, I think this is uh, the signal from the god that I wasn't hurt bad. Otherwise, this was very damaging. It could have been very damaging. So, although my view was of bullish nature only, but I was too confused. I was looking for tips here and there. I started doing whatever. So that became really an issue. But I now realize why it was happening, because suddenly what happened was I was trading an uptrending environment, and now suddenly what has happened is uh, the market is retracing, and I was not very well equipped to trade it. I know how to trade it, like you reduce the quantities and everything, but I already trade with very small quantity. How to reduce that? So that was an issue, and this is the main thing with traders. I guess they tend to forget how they were trading some time back. So So let's see. Here it was a downtrending market on a daily time frame. Here it was an uptrending market on a daily time frame, right? And here anywhere if you see a gap down opening, let's see over here on 10th November. 10th November, a gap down opening. The first candle's high was not broken. Okay, so let's take another example. Any example where you will see a gap down opening. I see a gap down opening on 28th November. See a trending market towards upside. Trending, very good trending market. Let's see this 2nd December. See even this, the first, it was not decisively broken, right? Also, the market was not able to go anywhere below days low. It didn't sustain at all, and one could have gone long over here. Okay, and then next day gap up opening again. The and this is where I'm talking about is in a sideways market actually. This is not trending right now. This is accumulating. I'm talking about any place which is uh, uh, in a trending market. In a trending market, wherever you see a gap down opening, let's see over here, it's a trending market, right? Although not exactly very trending, it's still below its previous low, previous high, but still, this market is, you see that there's pressure present over here. Let's see over here. It opened a huge gap down like today. You'll see what happened. A huge trending market. So generally speaking, once gap down is open in a uptrending market like today, like see over here. So the first candle is red and there was no follow through at all. So yeah, this is a downtrending environment, so I don't think opening outside of previous day's range in a uptrending environment, and first candle is on a 15-minute time frame. It is this thing, hammer candle. On 5 minutes also, if you'll see the first 5 minute candle low is respected, and then eventually this is broken. So I think one could have gone long over here comfortably, and after retracement one could have gone long over here. Once again, those who have missed the first rally were waiting for the more confirmation. So this is one thing which I realized, that there's no need to be confused or scared, because this is actually a place where you reduce your quantities way too much. You really reduce your quantities, because this is a confusion zone. This is not a very confident zone to trade in. Like, this is a confident zone to trade in, because the market is an uptrend. Each lows are being respected, but see what happened over here. The market is already in a stretch condition. You don't know whether this doji candle will be respected on daily time frame. You don't know whether this maybe it had opened gap down, and it had made a huge trending day towards down, so it would have been an evening star pattern, and you could have done nothing about that. So then how would you have traded it? Then that's a different thing. This is the beauty of price action. You change according to the what is there in front of you. I should have made my conviction after 9:25 that okay, this is going to be a bullish day. And yeah, that is what I wanted to point out today, that market structure, it is good good observation that after in a uptrending market, any gap down opening which is respected for first few minutes results in a good rally, because it marks as a point for buyers who are getting it for cheap, and they can again buy it for a good rally. Thank you. That's all what I wanted to say. Trust yourself, and God will take care.